In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a level in Revit. Before we begin, a quick bit of context. Levels are horizontal datums that define vertical heights in your model, things like floor elevations and story heights. Because they represent vertical relationships, they only appear in vertical views. That means you'll need to be in an elevation or a section to work with them. Start by opening an elevation or section view from your project browser. If you're currently in a plan, you won't see level lines, so switch to a vertical view first. Once you're there, zoom in a bit so the level annotations are readable. If your view looks empty, use zoom to fit to bring everything into frame. Next, select the level you want to remove. In an elevation or section, levels appear as horizontal lines with a level head annotation and an elevation value. Move your cursor over the line until it highlights. If multiple items are stacked in the same spot, like a grid or another datum, tap the tab key to cycle through the selectable items until you see the level highlighted. Click once to select it. Take a quick moment to confirm you've selected only the level you intend to delete. The status bar and the properties palette can help verify you have a level selected, not a section line or a grid. With the level selected, delete it. The fastest way is to press the delete key on your keyboard. If you prefer using the ribbon, go to the modify panel and click delete. Revit may display a warning or dialog at this point. That's normal because other elements can be associated with a level, including views, hosted components, and constraints. Read the message carefully and confirm you're comfortable with the impact. If you see a notice about dependent elements, it means Revit found items tied to that level. Proceed only if you're sure those items can be removed or reassigned afterward. After deletion, take a quick pass through your project browser and your model to make sure everything still looks as expected. If you removed the wrong level or changed your mind, you can undo right away. That's all there is to it. Open a vertical view, select the correct horizontal level line until it highlights and delete it using either the delete key or modify delete. With these steps and a bit of care around warnings, you can keep your project's vertical datums clean and accurate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.